We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother MFC L2720dw. So the first thing that I like to do is always look in my tray first. So if you were to pull your tray out, you could possibly see it right here, so you would just want to pull it up and out gently. You never want to yank it or pull too hard. It could rip the pieces of paper, causing them to stay in the printer, or it can also damage some sensors, which would cause you to bring your printer in for a service. So check in the tray first. Then the next thing I like to do is check right here underneath the drum. So if it's under the drum, the paper would be right here. Just pull it out as gently as you can. You don't want to go against the paper path and damage any sensors. Yet again, it would cause more jams and more money for repairs. Go ahead and put your drum back in there. I'm going to do that from the side. Then, check the back. Which you want to be careful on the back because it could get pretty hot back here. But if you see your paper here, just pull it up and out. Once again, pull it gently so you don't damage anything. That should clear all the paper jams. If you're constantly getting jams or it keeps jamming after you clear it, go ahead and give us a call. It may be time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.